I'm Heather Ecker. I'm one of the curators of AlMadar for the Islamic Arts Biennale 2025. So the theme of AlMadar for this edition is the art of numbers, and we take the art of numbers in its broadest sense. So at the very beginning, when our team was planning, we took the idea of the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. So the vertical axis is the earth and the cosmos, and the horizontal axis is basically al-dunya, the earth and all of humanity's activities on the earth. And so we worked with our scenographers to create an atmosphere that's actually quite different, I would say, than most exhibitions of Islamic art. So that feeling of spirituality that one finds in Islamic arts and culture is something that we have been trying to evoke in AlMadar, not only through the objects, but also through the scenography, so that they look at the contemporary works, they contemplate the historic works, and for themselves, they build connections.